ikaw naman pa ikilala for the, di ba, the straight man and woman dressing them up. Why is it LGBTQIA+?
It's actually returning the favor to my community. Dahil po 2019 nag-search na po ako ng kids and teens. Ngayon naman po ay nakadedicate talaga itong runway show ko para po sa LGBTQIA+ community. At para din po ipakita sa lahat na fashion is for all.
At kanina po, I saw every malls out there, parang it's different sizes, it's different shapes, tapos in different colors. Walang 5'9", walang super slim. Oh, why is that?
Kasi po, I think I'm one of the designers na nagpo-promote talaga ng diversity, no? So, I myself po talaga ay naniniwala for fashion for all. Meaning to say, lahat po ay may karapatang, magsuot ng magandang damit, maging pasyon para sa lahat. So, kaya po, itong platform natin na ibibigay natin sa ating pong community, it's because everybody is welcome. Wala po tayong size requirement, wala tayong waistline requirement, wala tayong height requirement, even po age, basta po legal age. I mean, kung 50 years old ka at kaya mo pang i-represent ang brand ko, why not?
Pero 56 po ito, we'll be competing every Thursday here at Bar Zero. So, and the last grand coronation, isa lang po ang pipiliin natin. So, what is that quality of that runway model search?
Actually, pipili po tayo ng 10, no? We have 10 DC ambassadors, pero meron tayong ultimate winner. The ultimate winner po will go to Thailand and represent my brand in the Thailand Fashion Week this coming November 28. Then the rest po, yung 10 po natin na mapipili, meron na rin po silang debut runway this coming December 13 sa Metro Fashion Ball sa Crown Plaza Manila Galleria naman. Ano po yung hinahanap po? Siyempre, number 1, authenticity. Sabi ko nga po, I'm an advocate for fashion for all, kaya lahat po welcome. Gusto kong ipagamit itong platform ko para po sa community at para naman po ma-break yung norms, no? Kasi akala nila kapag ka-model, kailangan balingkilitan, kailangan matangkad, kailangan may 23 na waistline, pero nowadays po, parang hindi na yon, no? Hindi na yun ang uso. Meron pong patatatan at meron pong masasabi ang ating pong mga models kahit na plus size.
Thank you so much, and any message to all our models first that will be competing right here at the first ever runway model search.
Okay, to all my DC models who's participating with this search, just be yourself, enjoy the journey, and God bless us all.
Invite everyone, Sir God, na pumunta dito to witness our branches event.
That's every Thursday po dito po sa Bar Zero. Magkakaroon po tayo ng 6 elimination rounds bago po tayo dumako sa ating finals, which is on October 30. Kaya i-invite ko rin po kayo na pumunta dito sa Bar Zero every Thursday. Ating pong first elimination round ay this coming September 18. Kaya naman po, sumunod na sa Bar Zero, no? This is a very safe place for our community as well.
The safest place ever.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Sir Don, and good luck to your runway model search. And of course, thank you also for bringing up the LGBT community, of course. Thank you so much.